Looking to start an epoxy floor coating business in South Africa? Wondering how much it will cost to get started with this lucrative venture? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps of starting an epoxy floor coating business in South Africa. First things first, you need to have a clear business plan in place. Research the market, identify your target audience, and determine your pricing strategy. Now, let's talk about the initial costs involved in setting up your epoxy floor coating business. To start, you'll need to invest in the necessary equipment and supplies. Factors like the size of your business and the services you offer will influence the cost. Typically, the equipment needed includes epoxy application tools, safety gear, and surface preparation tools. Additionally, you'll need to consider the costs of renting or purchasing a workspace. Remember to factor in the expenses for marketing and advertising your services. Now, let's discuss the estimated cost range for starting an epoxy floor coating business in South Africa. On average, the initial investment can range from 50,000 to 100,000 rand. However, this figure may vary depending on various factors such as location, size, and scale of your business. Keep in mind that these numbers are just ballpark figures and can be significantly higher or lower. Next, you'll need to consider maintenance and operational costs. These include ongoing expenses for materials, utilities, and salaries if you plan to hire employees. Don't forget about insurance costs to protect your business and equipment. It's crucial to price your services competitively while also covering your costs and ensuring profitability. Epoxy flooring usually costs between R840, R900 per square meter in South Africa. To find customers, utilize online platforms, social media, and local networking opportunities. Building a strong reputation and providing quality service will help your business thrive. Consider offering additional services like floor maintenance and repair to attract more clients. Also, attend trade shows and industry events to stay updated with the latest products and techniques. As your business grows, you might want to invest in advanced equipment and training programs. Continuous learning and improvement are key to staying ahead in this competitive industry. Remember, starting an epoxy floor coating business requires hard work, dedication, and a passion for the craft. Stay focused, set realistic goals, and provide exceptional service to build a successful business in South Africa. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into starting an epoxy floor coating business in South Africa. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.